In this Circuits of the Past video, we'll take a drone flight over the abandoned Circuit de Lezennes in France. Circuit de Lezennes was a permanent circuit in the northwest of France, near the city of Lille. It wasn't a racing circuit and was only accessible for motorcyclists to test their driving skills and ride at speeds that weren't allowed on the public road. Motorcyclists could buy a yearly pass to get access to the track, with their street-legal motorcycles on the days that it was open. This caused a dangerous mix of fast and slow motorcycles and experienced and inexperienced riders. The characteristics for the layout were long right-hand corners. This caused the tyres to wear faster on the right-hand side than on the left. Many solved this by turning their tyres around every 2 or 3 track days. The section you see below is known as the pif path, a long series of turns that got slower and slower as you went. The circuit had several different configurations. The main configuration was a 1.9 km or 1.18 mile long outer loop. This loop could be divided into 2 smaller circuits by means of 2 connections in the centre of the track, and there were also longer combinations possible too from the outer loop, in combination with these connections inside, which you see now. Completing the set was also a cross-track for motorbikes in the infield of the circuit too. Although the circuit wasn't close to residential areas, the mayor claimed that he'd received many noise complaints. That old trick. That's why he would work at closing the circuit. In addition, more and more stringent requirements were placed upon the circuit, which just simply couldn't be met. All of this resulted in a closure in 2019, and since then the Circuit de Lezennes has been left abandoned. As you can see, there's masts with power lines inside the track. This made it a bit tricky for Herman to do the drone flight here. He had to fly up really high so he didn't crash his drone into those power lines. We now fly over the bridge where Herman entered the circuit. If you look closely, you can see him standing on the bridge to the left, waving at the drone. Hello! Herman is the founder of the Circuits of the Past website and YouTube channel. Before we made this drone flight, he also took a track walk on this abandoned circuit too. Don't forget to watch that footage after this video. I'm Simon Smith, I voice these videos, and I have a YouTube channel named Higher Plane Games. So, whilst we watch the landing, I'll say au revoir et merci pour le souvenir from Circuit de Lezennes. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight over this abandoned circuit. If you like stuff like this, please subscribe to the channel for more, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next video from another circuit from the past. If you fancy doing some urban exploring of racetracks from the comfort of your own device, visit the website circuitsofthepast.com. There you can download a free ebook about 7 abandoned circuits that you can visit legally. Let Herman do the illegal exploring. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.